Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a continuation of my 2.0 FSI, I guess, maintenance. Again, I bought this car secondhand as my project car. I'm probably doing none of this right, and so full disclaimer, this is not a how-to video. Please do not use this as a guide, because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. The purpose of this video is to document and just, you know, bring you along through my journey of learning how to do things. I've always loved cars since I was a little boy, and you know, finally I was able to buy myself a project car. So today I'm going to be doing some carbon blasting. I made a huge mess and it blasted my own hands and other limbs, so that's not something you want to do, and exactly why you should not follow my example. But I have my equipment over here. I have my media blaster from ECS Tuning, my compressor. Excuse the mess, but that's you know, raw footage. This is exactly what it looks like. A lot of other YouTubers, no shade on them, I mean, I learned from them, but this is you know, this is not a movie set. This is exactly what it looks like when you're actually doing this on your own. So I already did some carbon blasting on cylinder number 1. I was in the middle of a video doing my little thing on number 2, but the video cut out, so that's why I am restarting and going to now do cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 3 actually has the most carbon buildup than the rest of them. Cylinder 4 is open right now, so we're not going to be able to do that until we turn the engine over a little bit. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I'll do a close-up at the end. And yeah, I do want to say, if you guys are enjoying this content, lol, before I even started doing it, please go ahead, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. I am open to critique, because like I said, I'm probably doing a lot of this wrong, but that's why I want to bring you guys along, see how it all works, how I do it at least. So got my vacuum, I got my media blaster right here, and normally you buy the kit with a wand. It's a long nozzle that can actually reach down inside the valves, but I foolishly did not do that for cost savings purposes. Don't be like me, buy the wand, otherwise you'll be stuck with this giant mess. And then I also have this 40T Performance from Amazon. It's a billet aluminum. It's just the cover that goes on top, right over there, and it's meant to attach the vacuum to one end, and then you know, you you send your media blaster through the other end, right? Just make sure that this camera is okay. It's working. So alright, without further ado, I'm going to try to keep this video short. I don't like long videos, and I guys don't watch the whole thing anyway, but I'm going to attach this right over here. There's no, like, it's just a flat surface, so that you won't hear any clicks or anything satisfying, but you just put it there like this, and it's about to get really loud. So for the next minute or two, just sit back and watch. Maybe turn down your headphones a little bit, because it might be a painful sound to your ears, but it's the reality of carbon blasting. It is very loud. All right, ready? All right, so I'm gonna take off the GoPro for just a second and give you guys a closer up. It's a little messy inside there. Oh shit, it is a little messy inside there, excuse the language, because I didn't vacuum out the rest of it. But this is an example of what, you know, it would look like if it was all dirty, and again, it's open. I need to be very careful. I should probably seal it a little better, because I have a little bit of walnut shell in there. Not to worry, apparently walnut shell burns. You don't want a cylinder full of it, but if it's just a couple of them, they will eventually find their way out or burn. So this is cylinder number 3. like I said, it was missing this divider and was causing a misfire and probably resulted in something like lots more carbon buildup than the others. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. If you guys saw, I just kind of sent some media in there for a second or two, and it pretty much cleaned up a lot in there. There's definitely more to go, you know, such as you can't really see it that well, but there's kind of like a ring of gunk around that valve. There are better ways to clean this. I'm just doing this for practice, and we'll probably try it again sometime in the future, as I do enjoy DIYing. So yeah, that's the video. Like I said, please like and subscribe if you like this content. I'll be doing a lot more over here. I'm going to be putting on this timing cover soon. Probably going to be changing the oil filter housing and cooler gaskets because it is leaking from there. I have a video on the vacuum pump that I just put out yesterday, so if you want to see that, please go ahead and check that out. And then there's going to be lots of things going on maintenance wise with this car. It's my little project, and I want, like I said, to bring you guys along on my journey of making this thing work better than it did when I bought it. Alrighty guys, enjoy your day.